3, 2, 1. Part 3, bro. Tell da.
Yeah. What
Center
topic you want
stage
to talk about?
tech. We told you, no?
Unemployment.
Yeah. I mean, that's a very broad topic, but then, like, do you think?
Bro, I'll ask good question. Okay.
Fine.
Do you think government is entitled to give you jobs? Is it the government's like is it a compulsory thing that the government has to do that they promise jobs? Why is India this state now?
So I'll tell you what. The government job. So basically, we elect representatives to take care of the economy. No, the economy is very important because obviously that the lifestyle become better if you have a better economy and all that stuff. So the government's decision has an impact on the economy, and an impact on the economy.
That is fine. Why should
employment is affected by that? If companies are doing well, if there are better, if there's a better environment for companies to do well, more
bro,
employment
that is for us companies and all, bro. All these rural people and like these backward classes, like whoever are like low, like middle class or less than middle class, but they are not expecting company jobs. They're expecting government to increase government jobs so that they get government jobs.
Macha, basically, like in any economy, no, what does any government want? They want more money circulating in the market now. So how do you increase money circulation? Once you give people more money, or you give money to more people, so that people spend on stuff, so that the money is spent goes to other people circulate the money.
Yeah.
So that's how an economy runs. Okay. That's the first point. That's because economy will be better if there are more people working and more people earning money, more people paying taxes, more people spending. That's the first point.
So if the economy is better, you will have better employment.
Yeah. So second point is because like what's the basic necessity of a government? You need to take care of the welfare of the people and make decisions for the welfare of the people. Correct? Understood? Take care and take decisions which affect the welfare of the people. Okay. So if people don't have money, how they cannot sustain themselves for a proper civilized life now.
See, basic question. Okay. Now Modi has to give jobs to everybody. Is it his job to give everybody a job?
No, not directly. But the unemployment rate or the employment rate is important to be maintained under his administration.
Bro, see, that's the thing. Our population is so high. You can't be like everybody will get guaranteed one job, or you can't be like I will give you everybody one government job. That's what everybody is expecting. Like in fact now from past
only the stupid people are expecting that. Only the idiots are expecting that.
No, those idiots are only the highest amount of people in India, bro. From all villages and all, everybody wants their son to become some officer or something like that. In fact, they're cutting down number of government jobs.
No, I actually think
everything can be privatized now.
I actually think it's a scam. It's a media hyped issue of people wanting unemployment. I don't think people are really concerned about it. Okay, this is like a propaganda which is amplified, even though it doesn't exist.
No, the issue is real, I think, because you see how many people are graduating every year, how many people are getting jobs.
Yeah, unemployment is some of it is true, but making it a political issue and blaming one particular part of the government is bad, and that's not the only thing. But that decisions do affect.
Okay, so I googled what's the unemployment rate in India. Okay. In 2020, it says 4.5%, 5.4%. Okay. So if only 5.4% of people are unemployed, is it actually a real problem? Like
5-6 crore people, no.
Yeah, that's because Macha, if you look at that meaning, but then you can tell Macha, employment is all-time high. 95.6% of people are getting jobs. So that's why now Prabhu Modi can come tell. Which is also partially true. He's not wrong.
Yeah. See, what can he do? He can't do anything. He can. He's not going to increase like like I'll put 1,000 extra police officers. Why it's not required? Why you need railway officer to?
If you think about it,
it'll keep decreasing.
No, he's reducing it. They're privatizing it because you can get better work for the same amount of money. These government job people, they don't do work also. Bro, you take HAL only the example now. HAL, okay. They told them make one fighter jet. It took them 30 years to make Tejas. They literally waited for blueprints. They took blueprints from other planes only and made them finally. In the 30 years, the top employees in HAL nicely scam money. They'll be like, we are
What do you
doing
think is the
research, we
reason
are
for
doing
that?
this, we'll keep
What do you think
scamming.
is the reason that Indian scientists and like engineers can't make something that good very fast? Why do you think? Well,
Skill
So
level,
where
primary
did
reason
all?
is because they're not paying them enough. When
Yeah,
they expect this
exactly.
much,
We
if
don't
we
have
pay them
enough
this
funding.
much, they'll obviously scam.
We don't have enough
they
funding.
scam
And
and
all the
they do
people who
work
have
also.
the skill to do it are going abroad.
And then they'll go to
Brain
some
drain.
company or they'll do something else.
Yeah.
What you can
So
do?
it's a loop. So it's a loop. We don't have enough money, so we're not able to do something great. And because we're not able to do something better than the other people in other countries, so we have less money.
So when it
So
will
it's
get
a
over, you
loop.
tell.
So no, we slowly keep creeping up. You slowly start creeping up and up. You can't expect something overnight.
I'll tell you better topic. Okay, you tell me. In this country, how many people pay tax?
That's true.
Oh, very
That's
less.
an
I
issue.
know this. I know this. This is less
That's an
than
issue.
5%. No.
What 5%? 1% people pay tax in India.
Yeah.
That's very
That's less than 5%, I said. Yeah.
For 120 crore people, 1 crore people are paying tax in India.
But then you're
Yeah.
talking about you're talking about income tax. No, people pay tax in other forms also. No, like broad
That is why
tax.
we have GST.
Why is government doing that?
Because I need
Because
more money now to do stuff.
everybody's not everybody's not paying their taxes
Yeah.
like obediently, but they need money from somewhere, so they're paying. They're asking from other places.
Yeah.
Bro, you were think, bro.
Subramanian Swami had
lot
this.
of taxes coming from Bangalore.
Subramanian Swami
Oh,
had
tell again,
this.
tell again.
Subramanian Swami had this idea where he proposed this idea where there was no income tax only service taxes, goods and service taxes.
Yeah, you put only petrol tax. You put off 20%.
Yeah.
You put everywhere else. You put tax and remove income tax. Then it's fair for the people who are paying tax.
Anyone who has money who's spending will end up paying tax.
Bro, you see, bro. Now you only see some IT employee guy. He's earning a 70 lakhs package. In that, he's going to pay 35% tax only.
Yeah.
And then when he goes to buy petrol, he'll pay tax. When he goes to buy a mobile, he'll go pay tax. When he buys house, he'll pay tax. When he gets rent, he'll pay tax. Everywhere tax. So our country is like, whoever is paying tax will try to take as much as we can from that guy. Whoever is not, no. They're doing in all this cash form and all that, and like they're escaping off. Like me
Yeah.
personally seeing, okay, like if I see my dad paying tax, no, I get like infuriated. I'll be like, why we have to pay when 100 crore people are not paying? You have to sit and pay every year 30-40 lakhs. It's not fair actually. That's why I feel like even if I work, no, I don't want to work here. Where's the value for my money?
That's true. You're not
It's
getting
like
the money
whatever we
worth.
pay is eaten by people, by politicians.
Yeah,
They
it's
don't
how
pay
it-
tax again.
It's also uneven distribution. No, think about South India. How much tax South India pays, and where does most of it go?
Bangalore only pays half the shit. Bangalore only will be paying because
Most
they
of it
are
goes to
all
development
salaried
in
employees are in Bangalore.
Most of it goes to development in the north.
Yeah, that depends
This is
on
how
the
it's supposed to be,
government
no?
there.
That's how it's supposed to be
I
for
mean,
overall of the country. But are you getting what you're paying? And is it fair that what you're paying, everyone is also doing the same? It's not true, no.
So see,
that's the problem with the developing country, bro. Like you will face problems. So, like if you want to, like you can't tell only Bangalore, I'll keep developing Bangalore, I won't develop any other part of the country. That's not how it works. No, even people in Bihar need education, they need roads, they need water, they need electricity.
But the thing is, development is needed, but they don't pay over there, but they're taking our money and going putting there.
Yeah, because if they do that right now, for 50 years down the line, even they'll pay money and they can help other people. That's the idea, basically.
When I'll be dead by then, when am I getting my?
Wait. If you give if 100 rupees goes from South India, and there was 100 rupees worth of work done in the North Indian states, I'll be happy with it. How much of it is being leaked? Do you think all 100 rupees goes back to the public works? Do you think that? Do you
But
really
corruption
think
exists in any form, every fucking country. You tell me one country where there's no corruption, bro. You cannot find, because corruption is it'll be that if people are working, there'll be corruption, bro. Basically.
Bro, I'm telling you, bro. In Europe, Japan, South Korea, US, these corruption rates are very less, bro.
Shut
bro, you
up.
tell me. Bro, you tell me
Shut
how many
up,
people.
slow.
You check.
Just
how
the
many
Indian
people
perception, machan. Everywhere except for here, it's all better people are living sexy lives. That's what we think.
I told very less. Bro, you only tell me some barber guy in US, he's sitting and filing for taxes. Why?
I'll tell you. The main issue with this is the accounting in India itself is very bad. Because see, the 100 rupees, it can't vanish in thin air. This is happening in India. It's happening. Like Bro, everything. If 100 rupees goes from one person to another, it goes from one institution to another institution. Everything needs to be documented. Where that money went. Okay, nothing.
The people are not doing that. No.
It's vanishing in thin air, and we have policies that let it happen.
Yeah, we have loopholes. People are
Yeah, we
finding
have
those loopholes. Bro,
Other countries have lesser loopholes.
No.
Other countries have
Yeah.
lesser loopholes.
Bro, you only tell me, bro, in US,
Okay, bro. In corruption index, okay, like I'm looking at this chart right now. 2019 corruption index, India is ranked 80. Okay, you said Japan, no? Japan is ranked.
My issue
India
would
is
be
ranked 80.
how do they
Okay,
calculate these indexes? Indices.
Japan is ranked 20. Okay, 20. We are 80. Okay. What you said? 10
difference is that.
Much out of how many countries? Out of 200 questions, 60 difference is there. You think about that.
How are these calculated?
So big. Japan is still so better.
Wait, is that order or what? Oh, that means on top is less.
Yeah, I can't do.
I thought ascending out of most corrupt, bro.
Bro, you only go watch on YouTube, okay? There's a series where they're like, this is how much I make and this is how much my living is and all. Bro, if you're making like $50-$60K also per year, they have to sit at the end of the financial year and sit and document and file their taxes. Because if they don't file their taxes, they don't get their own benefits later. US only, bro. Oh, here you tell me, Momo shop guy is getting 3 lakhs per month, bro. Momo shop guy. I'm telling you, there are people in Momo shops, they're earning 3-4 lakhs per month. Do you think he's going and filing tax at 3-4 lakhs? 50 lakhs is earning a year.
Okay. In Bangalore, there'll be some 5 people, okay. No, wait. There'll be 5 Momo shop people who are earning 5 lakhs per month, okay. But then there are 10,000 people in Bangalore who are living in IT companies who are earning 10,000, paying 3 lakhs per month or more. So, which is easier to fucking regulate? If you count number of Momo people, 3 Momo people are there, much you need to tax them.
Bro, you don't need to count
That's not how you think.
Bro, it's not the thing. These people are taking everything in cash, but they're living their life. No, they're not paying tax. Some guy who's getting 7 lakhs per month, he's paying tax, he's getting same money as that Momo guy. Bro, no exceptions.
You can't.
Bro, exceptions is fine if 80% are paying, 20% are not. In our country, 1% is paying. No, 99% is not paying.
See, okay, wait. There are loopholes, but with the policy we have, if at all that Momo guy goes and puts that money in the bank and there's a record there, he will have to end up paying taxes.
They don't do that. That's the problem. People who
have. When do you start paying money?
After 5 lakhs.
After 5.5 or something.
Per annum.
Per annum? Oh, fuck.
If you earn more than 5.5 per annum, you start paying tax.
Bro, I'll tell you some friends only of mine, okay. Some people, their parents are doing some businesses and all. If they have to pay college fees, okay, you assume 7-8 lakhs. They'll be like, they have to do setting from few months back because they transfer money into their account 50,000 every month or 75,000 every month. You transfer all 7 lakhs in one go, then that bank will get to know your PAN card. They'll be like, what the fuck, from where he got 7 lakhs? He's paying 2 lakhs tax, but he got 7 lakhs in one go. So they do settings like this. All loopholes are there.
Yeah.
So somebody told the idea, okay, they're like, Modi should do this thing. You should get one income tax card.
See, even if
like how Aadhaar card is there, no.
Think about Indian politics. It's not policy based. Nobody votes for someone based on their policy, no. So there is no push for politicians to make better policies. India needs to evolve. I think with education that will happen eventually. Like at least by the time we are older.
You ask your parents only, they'll be like if you ask my dad also, he'll tell the same thing. Bro, when this 2010, 12, like before Modi came, the scene was very bad. Even this much collection also of tax was never there.
No.
After Modi came, little bit changes happened and better it is little bit. At least you have a little value for money. Before it was like very bad. You only know how many scams used to happen at that time, no? That's why now you see anywhere where Congress is there, whichever team partners of Congress, they're losing everywhere. Bihar elections, you saw.
Yeah.
Bro, okay, one thing, okay. See, I googled, okay. Apparently, only 0.091% of Indians earn more than 10 lakhs, okay. So assume you pay tax after 10 lakhs, okay. Assume that, chuma. I mean, okay.
Bro, that's on paper, bro. That's
okay, so
coming
people
openly and telling 10 lakhs.
Okay, so they're
Bro,
saying
you
that
think
people
only
are
1 crore
earning
people
more.
are earning more than 10 lakh? What? 0.09? You're telling 10 lakh people earn more than 10 lakh. That's all.
But there are many ways to
120
avoid
crores.
taxes also. They can invest in different schemes. You won't have to pay tax then. It won't be considered as realized profits. Then you won't have
Yeah,
to
if
pay.
you do charity, no, charity
Yeah.
is non-tax. You can be like, I donated 1 crore.
Yeah. And
And then be
then
like, and take it back if it's your own institution or something like that.
exactly. There are many ways to avoid taxes.
Bro, the
Bro, actually,
Dasara
it's
only I
messed up,
saw,
bro. Now I
bro.
think about it.
No,
It's pretty
the
messed
Dasara
up.
only I saw. Okay, you see this Whitefield or Hoskote MLA. Okay, MTB Nagaraj is.
He has
That
a lot of Rolls
fellow,
Royce now.
bro, he for Dasara they do the Ayudha Puja, no. He has a big farmhouse, okay, near Whitefield only. There's Instagram photos. He has 500 cars lined up, Ferraris, Rolls Royce, all these cars. I'm just wondering how are people not going like and raiding his house? Like, why is it not happening?
Yeah.
Bro, Rohit, you ask your dad only, okay? You tell your dad don't pay property tax for 1 day, one year. You'll get notice next month only that they put 100% fine. They'll double your tax and they'll send off in 1 day. These politicians are buying 10 crore cars. They're doing all this bullshit, but they have on paper that they're earning all that money. Oh, that's why I'm like very pissed. Like this Rohit is like very pro India and all this. No,
So
that's why
it's
I'm
messed
very
up,
annoyed.
bro. Okay, so
But I think at least the current government, no, I think they're trying to fix it.
It'll get changed in the next few years, definitely. Yeah.
Yeah, it takes time.
But bro, I'm pretty sure till I'm like 35, it won't change.
It won't be. It'll never be perfect. Don't expect it to be perfected. Even Trump paid only 750 rupees tax. You know that, no? Even though he's in the
Bro,
US.
bro, $750. That's just. I feel like they are trapping him, bro. He prepaid his taxes before, it seems. That's what he told. I don't know if you can trust him, okay? Bro, but he has a clean sheet before he was president, no? He was a billionaire. He can't run away with that. In US and all, you can't run away, bro. Bro, here you take it to court case also, they'll be like, okay, come to court. 10 years later, that court will get, that case will get solved. It's not like that in other countries, no.
Yeah.
Do you think it's all because of overpopulation? Like everything.
Yeah. I think
Bro,
it's a factor.
Indians are over smart, bro. That's all.
Overpopulation is also a factor. Everyone talks about India's literacy rate being very low. No, think about it. What was a literacy? 72%.
I don't think it's that high. I don't see that.
The balls, not that high.
77%.
Bro, you have some screen over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
See, 77%. No, that's 800 million people. Population of America is 320 million.
80 crore people. That's not even population of other countries.
Yeah, exactly. So it takes time to
But then
educate all of
the
us.
definition of literacy in India is very loose, bro.
Yeah, it's like you should know how to read and write, that's all or something like that.
No, if you can write, if you sign your name in your language, you're literate.
Yeah,
No, I don't think that percentage is based on only Indian definitions. They have a universal definition for everyone.
It's based on Indian definition. No, literacy in India means if you can sign your name in whatever language, you're literate. My
Bro,
maid
you
is
tell me,
literate. She
bro.
can't read anything. She doesn't know anything. She doesn't study anything. But she's literate because she can sign her name.
Yeah, but there's another issue, no?
In US and all, they're dying about rich people paying lesser taxes and poor people paying more taxes. It's ulta of India. Like not poor people. Basically, normal income people are paying taxes properly. These billionaires are finding loopholes. Amazon pays like some $0 of tax or something like that because some loophole they have and they did pay.
Middle class pay the most tax.
Easily.
No, the salaried employees pay the most tax, bro. Salaried employees meaning everybody who comes under our industry.
Yeah.
So do you think a job is a scam?
What do you think about Biden and Trump? Who you would have voted if you're American?
I don't know about Trump.
I also would have voted Trump, bro. Bro, he was pro-America, bro. What the fuck?
He was pro-America. He was anti-Pakistan, anti-China.
He has some social issues, okay. Like little racist and all the shit he has, but His policies and all are pretty good, bro. Stock market was all-time high. Everything was good when he was there.
Yeah.
Trump is a racist, so you elect a pedophile. What the fuck?
As an
No,
Indian,
no, bro, and one more
I
thing,
would have
I-
wanted Trump to win. As an Indian, as an American,
As
Yeah,
an
same. As
if you were
as
an
an Indian,
American,
I would have voted for Trump. Yeah.
if you were an
I don't
American,
give
would
a
you want
fuck.
Trump to win?
I would have been retarded if I was American.
Bro,
So I
as
don't
an
give a
Indian,
shit.
I'll vote for Biden, bro. I want to go there, so I'll vote for Biden.
My
It's not about
God.
that. It's a lot.
Yeah.
It's a much bigger issue than that. It's not about us going there. It's about
Macha,
how
our country get bombed, okay, from top. You got to study in fucking America. Huh?
no, it's not
People
just
be dying
studying,
in Jammu Kashmir. You got to study in America. Huh? No, that doesn't work like that. No.
It's about how liberal ideas are not actually good in general because of how extremism is going about in most parts of the world.
See, that is fine, but
You can't be liberal when you have extremism everywhere.
bro, do you think Biden is going to be like, okay, come, everything we're going to do and all, like he's going to allow everything? I'm pretty sure
He
it's not
won't do
going to
as
be
much
like
as
that.
Trump would have done, bro. He wouldn't have taken a strong stance against the
See,
Chinese
it sucks
like
for
how
America.
Trump
It
would
sucks
have
for
taken.
America, okay? America themselves will lose a lot of allies, but it's good for India.
No, it's not good for India. Trump would have been better for India.
I'm talking about Trump, da.
Oh yeah, Trump would have been better. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bro, for companies and all, Biden was better, bro.
Yeah, Biden was India better. Yeah. This Kritik told yesterday, no. His brother-in-law would have voted for Biden because of companies and stuff.
Bro, companies as in, bro, technically Trump was good for companies also. They were paying lesser tax and all this shit. But Biden will get cheaper labor, no, for them. So, even better.
No, but then Trump wanted everything in America. No, in the long run, that makes more sense, right?
Bro, he want, like, yeah, but long run, that's, yeah. That's why I tell
But
you,
right now,
pro-America
companies
winning,
won't
you
like
should
that,
vote
no?
for Trump.
Hmm?
Right now, companies won't
Yeah,
like
but
that, no, because
then you can
can
get
all just
iPhone made for like $200 in China. Why they'll come and pay
Yeah.
400 in US?
Yeah, for
Yeah.
companies it's bad, but then for the general population it's good. No, they get more jobs because right now most of the jobs in America is taken away by Asians and other country
Yeah.
people.
See, but the thing is, it's a
One
capitalist
see the
government,
one
no?
damn smart thing Trump did was he was like, if you're not earning below this above this particular range, you won't be
That is
given
like a good
H1B
thing,
visa.
bro.
That's
Yeah,
a very
that
good
only
thing.
that specialized people only should get. That's a good idea,
That's
actually.
what exactly. So Americans will get more jobs. Americans are dumb as fuck. They're not understanding the voice.
No, the
The
thing
problem
is,
is no.
he has a lot of social issues, bro. He can't handle social issues properly. He's thinking climate change is some bullshit.
Yeah,
He
that
posts
is
some
right.
shit on Twitter. Then he'll be like, he won't reduce gun laws. Like, he does
Even
weird shit.
Obama said that, but people didn't oppose Obama when he said that.
No. Obama wanted to remove gun laws.
Abolish. Yeah, they want to remove
Yeah.
it.
The Congress didn't accept him.
So I think these Americans, if Trump says anything, even if it's dumb or if it makes sense, they'll be like, no, Masa, Trump said it, so it has to be fucking
it's like some hatred towards him, bro. He'll tell good thing also. You should give him some credit also, bro. You can't be like
Bro, I
everything.
told this X3 also, okay. He's an elected leader, macha. Democracy works. These people elected, majority people voted for him.
I saw a video, okay. But the thing is, bro, we are seeing only the media, like, like all the people who we follow, all these celebrities and all these people are all Biden and Democrats. So obviously they are not going to post good things. We don't follow any Republicans openly, and none of the Republicans are open on like social media.
Who does
Everything
Joe Rogan support?
Joe Rogan he's apparently neutral, but he didn't like he doesn't like Biden. Yeah, he didn't vote for either of them. Apparently, he voted for some neutral guy. Okay, but he told he would choose Trump over Biden.
Yeah, something like that.
That guy's brains.
Yeah.
Bro, the thing is, I know Trump gets a lot of shit, okay, but we follow only that media. Trump has one channel to his name, the Fox News.
All those late night shows, no, they only diss him. That's the only thing they do.
Stephen Colbert, Jimmy Fallon, what? They don't have any job. What the fuck? That's a president, macha. You can't treat a president like that, bro.
Comedy itself changed off, macha. The comedy became roasting Trump. Every day they roasted him.
But to be honest, after doing all that also, he won, okay. He showed one big middle finger. Yeah. And then on top of that, he had proper 4 terms also. And it was good for him there. To be honest, if the media wasn't there, COVID didn't happen. And that mainly the George Floyd shit didn't happen now. This Trump only would have clean.
George Floyd would have happened even if Obama was still there, bro.
Yeah.
It's not the government.
became
fault, it's the
politicized
people
in
are
Trump's-
retarded.
It became
No, it
politicized
became
in Trump's
political with Trump,
administration.
but still, bro, white supremacy became more during Trump's time. That you have to agree.
White supremacists. Okay, da.
See, Macha, that's also true
I told
because
white
social media
supremacy, I told.
social media has added in a lot more users in Trump's administration than Obama's, and that created the difference among people. What social media does, it amplifies what you think, and that pushes you more to the extreme. That happened in
Correct.
Trump administration more. So you can't blame Obama or you can't say, oh, Obama would have done better or anything. You can't say that.
Yeah, that's what. I feel Trump got unnecessary shit, bro. Even see, I know
We
he
have less than 1 minute.
Yeah.
yeah. Less
Wrong
than 2
topic.
minutes,
Give
you mean? Yeah.
Fine, chill. Okay, yeah. Teja, come on again, okay,
Critics.
sometime.
Macha,
Yeah,
yesterday
paka.
Critics was the longest podcast. Okay, now this will become longest by some big margin, bro. What the fuck?
3 parts, 3 different videos you'll upload now.
No, you shut up. Make it one.
Make it one.
35. Too
Make
good.
it one, bro. Make it one.
Okay, fine.
Upload one big ass video. You
Bro,
put off one.
make it 3 parts, bro. Lesser time, people feel like watching. If they see
No,
one
But
and a
then
half
we
hour
don't do
video,
that.
people
Bro.
don't
Like
click
that's
on it.
not how we do.
Yeah, we
You
have to
are
buy
the
Zoom Pro.
podcast telling, that's why now.
We have to buy Zoom Pro.
Hmm?
We have to buy Zoom Pro.
Yeah, bro. It's annoying. No.
Yeah, it's annoying, bro. We'll buy off chill.
We can actually do it. Oh, we should have tried when Google Meets, bro. We should try that. Microsoft Meets also should have tried. I mean, not Teams. Sorry, Teams. Teams should have
Teams,
tried.
Microsoft Teams.
Try Google Meet, bro.
You can't go record. We can't record, bro.
Why? We record all
We
our
can,
classes. They send us the
Only professors can do it.
videos.
Yeah,
after the
professors
class.
can do. We can't do.
Hey, fucker. We only record and we say, like, their Google Drive gets filled 5 GB, so they make us record and then they'll be like, you send.
Oh, we have unlimited Google Drive.
Anybody in the beginning of the class has to record, that's all.